Do you expect it to be continuing buybacks in years to come?
I think it's part of the capital recycling process. If we continue to have excess cash, I think one of the best ways for our investors to return some of it through the buyback.
We've been rejigging your portfolio. At the end of last year, the biggest sale of its kind here in Hong Kong, with the Link REIT selling 17 of its shopping malls. Do you continue to expect to rebalance or remanage your portfolio going ahead?
Yeah, that's one of our strategy, which is to upgrade the quality of the overall portfolio. And we are very happy with the result of the disposal. Obviously, that came with a very significant premium, over 50%. Over our last valuation. We will continue to look at opportunities to the extent that we need funding, whether it's from banks or through disposal proceeds to fund our acquisitions. We continue to look for assets in China, in Hong Kong, and we see various growth opportunities arising, and we are very excited.
When you talk about upgrading your portfolio, maybe rejigging a bit, I can see the looking to new opportunities, but I wonder, in your current portfolio, what the assessment is in terms of what more you think you can offload.
Not necessarily just offloading, because on just organic growth in terms of enhancing the asset, improving them, we have now not quite the magic formula, but certainly know how to improve assets to build a good community more. And so over the last couple of years, we have renovated a lot of our shopping centers. We have renovated a lot of our markets. We have fresh markets that has been an attraction, has been a good anchor for us, and we'll continue to do that over the next few years.
Now, car parking spaces is another asset that you own, and I want to ask you your reaction. Just a few days ago, over in Ho Man Tin in Kowloon, there was a sale of a parking space for a record $760,000 US. What is your response to that type of price to be paid here in Hong Kong? And does that bode well for you guys?
Well, we own a lot of car parks, and our valuation is very far away from that. But there is a shortage. Number of cars continue to increase in Hong Kong, and we really haven't built up that many car parks in Hong Kong. But this applies to all sorts of properties in Hong Kong, residential, commercial, car parks. There's a huge shortage, and the government obviously are looking at ways to increase supply.